ワクワク日本語
教え方のポイントパート1
Points for teaching Waku Waku Nihongo. In this video, you can learn about the concept, structure, and teaching key points for the children's Japanese language textbook Waku Waku Nihongo. The concept of Waku Waku Nihongo aims to make it easy for teachers to teach Japanese and for children to have fun while learning Japanese. To achieve this, various thoughtful strategies are employed. Number 1, learning Japanese language and culture in a fun way. Number 2, the use of a variety of supplementary materials. 3, setting can-do goals. 4, teaching in a short amount of time. 5, implementing activities that foster collaboration and independence. In Waku Waku Nihongo, we have incorporated topics around children's everyday lives to make learning Japanese language and culture fun. For example, in Lesson 1, the goal is for the children to be able to greet in Japanese and introduce themselves. In Lesson 2, children learn Japanese characters with the goal of being able to write their names in katakana. In Lesson 3, children learn to talk about the town they live in. In Lesson 4, children study food and introduce dishes from their own country. In Lesson 5, children aim to talk about their day. In Lesson 6, children played Japanese games such as origami and sugoroku, a Japanese board game. There are various supplementary materials prepared for the textbook. These are designed to help teachers teach Japanese as easily as possible. Waku Waku Nihongo includes the main textbook, lesson plans, audio, and PowerPoint presentations. With this set, teachers can conduct lessons right away. Even if the teacher's time or Japanese teaching experience is limited, they can easily use these supplementary materials to teach. Another point is that we set can-do goals so the teaching objectives are clear. Each topic includes a can-do goal that describes what the children will be able to do by the end of the lesson. Teachers and students can share these goals together, and activities designed to help children achieve these can-do goals. Waku Waku Nihongo is designed so that teaching can be done in a short amount of time. Each can-do is designed to take approximately from 60 to 90 minutes. Additionally, the topics are presented in units, so teachers can select specific topics to teach. These materials can also be used for regular lessons or adapted for events. In the textbook, we emphasize activities that foster collaboration and independence in children. These activities encourage children to collaborate with their friends and also engage in independent research. Through learning Japanese, children will develop the ability to express what they want to say, accept their friends' ideas, and pursue things that they are interested in. Now, let's take a look at the structure of Waku Waku Nihongo. Waku Waku Nihongo consists mainly of 7 activities. Let's talk in class. Let's listen. Vocabulary check. Let's speak. Let's write. Let's think. And lastly, focus on form, or grammar rules. At the end of each activity, there's a can-do check. Children will self-assess whether they can achieve the can-do goal they reviewed at the beginning of the lesson. At the end of the textbook, there's a section for comments where children can write what they learned, what they enjoyed, and what they would like to know more about. This is a self-reflective section, so it's okay to write in their own language. Below the can-do check, there are review questions. These quizzes help children recall what they learned in the lesson. These can be assigned as homework or used as a review at the beginning of the next class. Teaching materials also include columns related to Japanese culture. These columns aim to spark children's interest in Japanese culture and contain questions that encourage them to research by themselves. They can be used to help children recognize similarities and differences between Japanese culture and their own.
教材は QR コードからダウンロードできるよ。
ぜひ使ってね。